You want something better?
Budget for your gadget.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of the week again. So it's time for our tech review here over at Budget for Your Gadget. We're bringing you guys up to speed with some latest tech when it comes to the latest of tech, courtesy of our friends over at asianic.com.ph. We are back with another toy that we're going to be playing with. And the thing is, every time here on Budget for Your Gadget, we try our best to bring you guys up to speed with new devices that you guys might need, upgrades that you guys might want, peripherals that you guys might need to update your guys' setup, while sticking into a very affordable budget. And the thing is, Asianic has sent over another chonky boyo device that you guys might want, okay? I know a lot of you guys are PC users. I'm a laptop user myself, but one thing that I like when it comes to having a device or an entire setup at home is, of course, having a good monitor. When you're working, you need to be able to see everything properly. You need to be able to make sure that what you're looking at is what it is actually on screen. Like the colors are correct and the visuals are good. The text can be read properly. And the thing is, Asianic has sent over a big monitor for us to look at. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are tuning in over on our live streams, you guys can properly see the Lenovo Legion R25i30 LCD monitor. It's a big chunky boyo that I have here right now that I'll be grabbing. But the thing is, this monitor, I will say, is enormous, okay? If you guys are looking for a brand new item to add to your guys' setup, a brand new monitor, and you guys want to see everything on higher quality display with a big screen, then this device might just be for you. This is whopping, it's enormous in size. It's a whopping 24.5 inches, full HD IPS LCD display. As someone who doesn't have a monitor right now, the thing is, it's very important that you have something to view what you need to do. So this has an HDMI cable at the back that you can properly connect to your workspace. Maybe you're using a gaming laptop and you want another monitor for whatever you want to do, for multitasking, or maybe you need a primary monitor for your incoming PC. Then the Lenovo Legion R25i30 might be just right for you. What makes this thing different? The thing is, the screen, it's enormous. But when it comes to colors, when it comes to proper display, this does not slack in that department at all. Let's start off with the refresh rate. A lot of people, when they look at monitors, they want to make sure that the refresh rate of the monitor is good, because we are living in a world where technology is moving so fast, and the things that we do on PC or on our laptops are really fast as well. When we're gaming, when we're doing a lot of multitasking, when we're moving really quickly, good refresh rate is really important, so we get to see every single detail of what we're looking at. So what does this thing have? What's the refresh rate on this thing? This thing has a proper 165 hertz of refresh rate. So if you guys are playing Valorant, if you guys are playing Minecraft, if you guys are playing any high-speed game, then this device will be able to capture every single detail as you sweep through your screen. As you're moving really quickly, those flicks that you guys are doing, you guys will see every detail. You guys are going to hit those headshots properly, all right? And when it comes to response time of this thing has lightning speeds, 0.5 ms response time, okay? 0.5 milliseconds. So immediately, you get to see everything that you need to see. You won't be able to tell that there's a delay at all, which is important because even if there's 1 second or a tiny bit of latency with what we're doing and how it reflects on the screen, it can be nauseating. It can be dizzying. So it's important that everything is in sync properly. And with a 0.5 millisecond response time, you're good to go, okay? But yes, I've been talking about its features when it comes to speed. You guys won't have a problem with that. But apart from that, this thing boasts a really good set of color schemes as well. Because if you guys are particular with your guys' colors, if you guys want to make sure that the colors that you're viewing are correct for those who maybe work on Photoshop, maybe you're working on video editing, and you do color grading, well, it's important to have a good monitor that can show good color accuracy. This thing has IPS, which stands for in-plane switching. What it has, it delivers better color accuracy and better, wider viewing angles for you guys to see. It's good for gamers, especially for those who stream, because again, you move really quickly. And for those who work on creative stuffs, or if color is a big part of what you find important in your viewing experience. Maybe you're someone who likes watching Netflix. Maybe you're someone who likes watching movies on your PC, on a bigger screen. Maybe you plug in your laptop on this thing. Well, you guys will see the crisp, beautiful colors and full HD display with this 24.5-inch monitor. I'm telling you guys, this thing is enormous. And I will say, one thing I really like about this thing is its build quality, okay? I set this up on stream just a while ago, and while we were unboxing this thing is sturdy. I just set this up. This thing has a really nice stand that you guys can see over on our live streams. If you guys want to see it, we're live on Twitch and Facebook and on TikTok. It has a very good stand, and if you put the stand on the table, it won't move at all. So your setup won't be moved if, for example, you hit the table. This thing won't fall down. This thing is also adjustable. You can tilt it upward, tilt it downward for better viewing experience. Maybe depending on where you plan to put this monitor, you can adjust it accordingly. And it's really easy to set up. It took me like, how long? It took me like 3 minutes to set it all up, and now it's all here. And it's so nice. The design-wise, it's very sleek, and it's good to add to your guys' setup as well. And I'm gonna put this on the side because it's getting relatively on the heavier side too. That's why the durable build quality is really nice. I mean, it's not a portable monitor, I will tell you guys, but I'll put it right here. There we go. I'll put it right here. The thing is, beautiful stuff. It has really nice specs. For a monitor, I will say, I'm pretty happy with what this thing is boasting. And it's Lenovo as well. I'm someone who uses a Lenovo laptop myself. So I know that their build quality, I know that the durability, the quality of everything is already really good. So I've been glazing this thing. You guys will get good refresh rate, good response time, good colors, good visuals, everything. You guys will get it properly. But wacky, this is budget for your gadget. How do I get this thing? I want to get it for myself. I don't have a monitor for my PC. I want to get a second monitor. How do I get it? The thing is, you guys can properly get it over on 𝚒𝚒𝚘𝚗𝚘𝚗. Everything that I talked about today can be found on the website. So you guys can see everything, all the details, but I know you guys are wondering about the price. The good thing about this is this thing mixes both performance and affordability. And this is budget for a gadget, so you know we gotta put in some freebies here and there. So you guys can properly get this for a whopping 11,990 pesos. You guys can get it with cash. And if you guys use cash, since you're tuning into Budget for Your Gadget, you guys can get a free 500 peso Starbucks gift card. A gift check, a GC for Starbucks. 500 peso. So be sure to avail this if you guys want to be able to get a good monitor while getting a bit of a freebie there. Then you guys should totally avail it over at 𝚒𝚒𝚘𝚗𝚘𝚗. All the details that I mentioned today can be found on their website. So be sure to be quick. Head to your nearest 𝚒𝚒𝚘 branch, ask them about this Lenovo Legion R25i30 LCD monitor so you guys can get it for yourself. Again, that's 11,990 pesos for a really good quality monitor. Okay, a really nice quality monitor that you guys can get. And a huge thank you once again to our friends over at 𝚒𝚒𝚘𝚗𝚘𝚗 for hooking us up with another beautiful piece of tech, a good peripheral that you guys can get. We've been talking about laptops, we've been talking about PCs. It makes sense for us to talk about a monitor because it doesn't make sense to have a machine if you guys won't see it in good quality. Huge thank you to them once again, and thank you to you guys for joining us for another edition of
Budget for Your Gadget.
At 𝚒𝚒𝚘, better people, better service, better deals. You may visit our branches, flash on the screen.